students, in this video we are going to attempt MCQs of the essay Pakistan and the Modern World, a speech delivered by Pakistani Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan. Let's begin. The first question is, according to Liaquat Ali Khan, the torch period of the Western civilization is, and the options are given below. The first one is England, America, Canada, China. According to Liaquat Ali Khan, the torch period of the Western civilization is America, and the right answer is America. The next question is, when British India was partitioned, the Pakistanis were asked to set up a new state of 70 million, 80 million, 90 million, or 85 million. In this question, actually, it is asked by the students to tell the actual population of Muslims, Pakistanis, at the time of partition of Pakistan and India, and the right answer is 80 million. 80 million was the population of Pakistanis when Pakistan was partitioned. And the next is, the Hindus believe in a caste system, while the Muslims believed in political system, one God, religion, or war. The Hindus believe in caste system, while the Muslims believe in one God. The right answer is one God. Muslim believe in one God. Next one is, Liaquat Ali Khan talked of American independence. From which country the independence was recovered? Britain, Russia, India, or Brazil? And the right option is Britain. The independence was recovered by Britain. Next comes here, the ratio between the number of Muslims. The word ratio, that can be pronounced as ratio. It has a double pronunciation, the ratio and the ratio. The ratio between the number of the Muslims and non-Muslims before the creation of Pakistan was, what was the ratio of Muslims of Pakistan and India? 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 2 to 2, 4 to 1. And the right answer is 3 to 1. The actual ratio between the Muslims at the partition time, 3 to 1. The next one comes here. After his assassination, Liaquat Ali Khan was given the title of Qaide Millat, Shaheed Millat, Rehbar Millat, or all. When Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated in 1951 at Liaquat Bagh, he was given the title of Shaheed Millat, and the right answer and the right option is Shaheed Millat. Pakistan and the Modern World is the text of speech of Liaquat Ali Khan delivered in. Pakistan and the Modern World actually is the speech that was delivered by Liaquat Ali Khan in, and the options are 1951, 1950, 1948, 1949, and the right option is 1950. Pakistan and the Modern World, that was the speech delivered by Liaquat Ali Khan in 1950. The next answer is, Pakistan and the Modern World is the text of speech Liaquat Ali Khan delivered at. Yes, this is the next question. Now, here we have to tell the actual place where this speech was delivered, and the options are Kansas University, America, Harvard University, America, Oxford University, England, Cambridge University, England. And the right option is Kansas University, America. That was the actual place where Liaquat Ali Khan delivered his memorable speech, Pakistan and the Modern World. And the next question is Liaquat Ali Khan was Jinnah's cousin, brother, right hand man, or lawyer. Here we have to tell the relation between Liaquat Ali Khan and Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. And as you know that there wasn't any blood relation between Liaquat Ali Khan and Jinnah. That is why the right answer is right hand man. Yes, Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan was right hand man of Jinnah, the great leader Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. And the next one is Liaquat Ali Khan was born in 1900, 1896, 1895, or 1885. And the right answer is 1895.